Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have another episode in my E21 Build Series. On the last update I gave you, I mentioned that we've started welding the rusted floor pans. I'm glad to say that we made good progress so far. However, bodywork takes a long time and there's plenty left to do. So in the meantime, I've begun to work on my replacement M10 motor. This motor is from a 1984 318i, part of the iconic E30 chassis of BMWs. One of the main differences in this motor from my previous M10 is the Bosch L-Jet fuel injection. Now this 1.8 liter motor only spits out a little over 100 horsepower. However, I do have some planned upgrades in the works. The folks over at Super Clean saw my channel and asked if I'd be interested in trying their products. So I figured what better way than to try a degreaser than testing it out on a 37-year-old transmission. Now, it's important to note, Super Clean isn't paying me or sponsoring me for this video. They simply asked if I was interested in trying out their product. Because of how much dirt and grease are caked on this 37-year-old transmission, I'll be using Super Clean at full strength. Super Clean does say to be sure to test out on aluminum and don't let it sit for too long. From what I've read, many degreasers on the market can harm aluminum if left on too long. To also aid in my cleaning, I'll be using an assortment of brass brushes along with the pressure washer. So let's get started. didn't think it would be that easy. Super clean with a little elbow grease did the job. Granted, there's still a little bit of grease here and there, and I can get those with a little bit more scrubbing. But overall, it made the 37 years worth of dirt, oil, and grease just melt away. I'm very impressed with the super clean degreaser and excited to get these old parts cleaned up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I still have a lot of work left to do on the BMW, so be sure to subscribe so you can see the build continue.